Good morning, my YouTube viewers. It's Crystal here. I'm here making the segment video. I'm having some problems with my recordings, and so I'm going to have to keep this short because I'm having problems with my recordings. And also, I haven't made a video in a few days because I've been sick, but I'm feeling a little bit better, so I thought, I'll try to make a video. What we're going to talk about in this video is we're going to talk about the ANOVA. And the ANOVA is similar to the F-test, whereas the F-test checks the variances of 2 samples. The ANOVA checks the variances, or analyzes the variances, of 3 or more samples. So that's the main difference between the ANOVA and the F-test. Both the ANOVA and the F-test were developed by Ronald Fisher, who was a statistician. So what we're going to do now is we're going to try to do this very quickly. I created this program in Google Colab, and I'm going to import the 2 main libraries that are going to be used, 2 most popular libraries, being NumPy, which creates NumPy arrays and performs numerical computations, and scipy, which visualizes the data. And then after we've imported our libraries, what we're going to do is we're going to create 3 samples. So we've got 3 classes with the grades in 3 classes. We calculate the means and print them out. We calculate the variances and print them out. We calculate the standard deviations and print it out. We calculate the length and print it out. And we calculate the degree of freedom and print it out. So you can see at the bottom of the cell we've got the means, the variances, the standard deviations, the length, and the DDOF. So we're going to perform an ANOVA, one-way ANOVA using scipy. And so F-stat POV equals F one-way, class 1, class 2, class 3, and it prints out the F statistic and the p-value, being F statistic is 0.3 and p-value is 0.74. And then after we have done the ANOVA in scipy, I thought it would be a really good idea to do the ANOVA in statsmodels. And the thing is that statsmodels used to be part of scipy, but they took statsmodels and made it a completely different library. So a lot of the things in statsmodels can also be done in scipy, but statsmodels does it more in depth than scipy does it, because statsmodels is actually a statistical library. So sm.stats.ANOVA one-way, data equals class 1, class 2, class 3, groups equals none, use var equals equal, Welsh correlation equals true, and trim frac equals 0. So you get your F statistics, which is 0.3, and your p-value, which is 0.74, which is what you want. Your degree of freedom is 2 and 93. Your DF num is 2. DF denominator is 93. Knobs T is 96. In groups is 3. You get your means, you get your knobs, you get your variation, and you get your use variation, you get your Welsh correlation, and then you get a tuple, which provides you your F statistic and your p-value. So the values in the statsmodels ANOVA are the same as the values in the scipy ANOVA. We're going to visualize the data set. So using scipy. So this is your class 1. This is your class 2. And this is your class 3. So we have visualized the data set. So I have to keep this video short because I don't know what's going on with my recorder. So I'm going to go ahead and close this video. Thank you so much to my subscribers. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to communicating with you in the next video. Hopefully it'll work. Thank you.